Here we go. Is this the moment of truth? How bad is this house? Let's see. So before I walk in there and show you guys how bad it is, let me tell you how I got here. All right, so today's move out day for the tenants. I'm gonna go from California to Idaho. I'm gonna go catch a flight and see what kind of condition they actually left the house in. So we haven't heard from them. We haven't talked to them. They're supposed to be out of there by 12:30. It is 8:45 in the morning and my flight's at 10, so let's go.
Secure your own mask first before submitting others. Light vests are located under each passenger seat. If instructed, remove light vests.
Southwest needs to make a flight to Boise, Idaho, because Allegiant sucks. Thank you guys for the safe flight. All right, so change of plan. So backstory, my wife inherited this house and they were pretty good tenants for the last 10 years. Just the house was a little bit badly taken care of. So we decided we were gonna either sell it, kick them out, and renovate the house, one or the other. But what we needed to do now was get rid of those tenants. So I just got a call from the tenants that he's at work. They were supposed to be out today by 1, it's 1, and he's at work. So I told him, am I just gonna show up and change the locks? Is all your stuff out? Or are we gonna have bigger issues? So I don't know what I'm walking into, so let's go. So I thought I had more time before my ride got here to record that, but I don't. So yeah, let's go find out what I'm walking into. I'm gonna head straight there. And hopefully his stuff has been cleared out because I really don't want to deal with the eviction process. All right, so I just got to the house and it looks like there's nobody inside. So, garage doors open, of course, unlocked. Let's see if any of the doors are locked or anything, but nobody's here, so let's see how this goes. Well, as you guys can tell, they left a bunch of junk in here still. And I am terrified of opening this door. Oh God, look at the filth on this door. And it's locked. So it is filthy, disgusting, filth everywhere. Look at that. Like, come on, people. Never once mopped or anything. This floor has to go for sure. Cabinets, absolutely disgusting. Yeah, I don't know. They might, ooh, it's stuck. Oh, look at that mold. Come on, man. How are you guys living in here like this? At least we have a dishwasher, right? Ugh. Oh God, look at that. Did they leave anything to drink for me? They left me a popsicle. And a fucking bottle of piss in there probably. Oh, that's fucking putrid. Here is the pantry that looks like complete shit. And there is no lights in here, so I'm just working with the camera light. God, everything's disgusting. Look at this. Look at this. They couldn't even take their fucking trash can. Look at that. Like, come on. Do we have water? Oh, water and soap, so. But look at this. Look at all that mold. Come on. You have a fan, people. Why didn't you use it? Look at that. I know the AC works. What are all these fucking stains all over the walls, man? Jesus, look at that light switch. All right, well, looks like they left a bed in here. Is that how they live? Just kidding, I don't really care about the Cowboys. It's not a personal attack on you guys. Boob light. Let's go check out the master. Where do we begin? We will probably start in here so we have a place to live while we clean this house and fix everything wrong with it. Oh, don't you love that? Don't you love that? All along the bottom wall. Jesus Christ, I should have brought a mask. Let's check out the master bath. As you would expect, disgusting. Even more disgusting. It's like, what, dude? Were you just collecting those to see how many you could stack up? God, this is filthy. What the fuck is this? Look at this shit, people. Come on. Oh, look at the mold. The fuck is all that on the walls? This carpet was replaced 3 years ago. Look at this. That's where the bed used to be. I don't know what's under that. This is the smallest bedroom. Jesus Christ, look at that. All of these walls are just stained. Look at those freaking doors. Oh God. Yep, that's a giant roach. And full circle. Alright, so one of the first things I have to do is secure the house. So I'm going to change all these freaking handles and make sure they're all secure before I leave. Okay, so I forgot to hit record on that last one. Well, no, I didn't. I forgot to plug in my microphone, so there was no audio. But basically, as you guys can see, the house is filthy. It's not tear down to studs filthy, it's just filthy. It's still a lot of work. Both bathrooms have to be redone, all new flooring, kitchen has to be redone. The whole thing has to be covered in kills, because I don't know what's on those walls. It needs a good scrub down. I hate to say it, but the garage is the cleanest part. I'll be doing a series on this house, the full remodel process, and from this point to where we're going. If you want to stay in the loop, make sure to hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment of what you want to see. I think first things first is a deep clean, rip out the flooring, rip out the bathrooms, rip out the kitchen. I didn't show it because it was just so filthy, but the bathrooms, I went in there with bleach and gloves and a scrubbing pad trying to at least make it usable. It went nowhere. So here's some pictures of that. As you can see, there's no salvaging any of this. The whole thing has to be torn out. And these trash cans are full because they left them full of old food. There's old pickle jars in the fridge. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Like, subscribe, more videos coming soon. I'll be editing. I'll be traveling from California to Idaho to do this. There's a road trip coming where I bring out my tools. And yeah, some of it we're going to outsource. Some of it we're going to do here. Good old elbow grease. If you guys want to see how that goes, you know, next video is probably going to be the cleanup process where I just come in and gut everything out. That's disgusting. We're going to get a dumpster. We're going to clear everything out, demo everything out, and really assess what we're working with. So yeah, again, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see first. I know this video doesn't show the demo process or anything. It's just I don't have enough time between the tenants kind of not being responsive to just how bad it really is. So anyways, thanks for watching this one. Please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Good thing I didn't sit on that one. Yep, this table has to go too.